Hey everyone, this is part 2 of my series on how I built a mini cleanroom glove box in my garage. Unfortunately, my GoPro gave up on me. It's a cheap N-Go something, and just started to create big files full of zeros instead of storing the video data of myself hurting myself, cutting myself accidentally, and cussing a lot. So I spare you that. I guess you're lucky. My sponsor, NLNet, said it should be a tutorial like video, but the last guy you want to give you any tutorial in the area of carpenting is me. Okay? Me. I suck at that. I'm an electrical engineer. I build transistors, I build electronics, but I don't build furniture. So let's go through where I am now, and I had to record that video material with my smartphone, so forgive the shakiness. So let's go through step by step where I am here right now. So I finished the box. So it's a box. It has four walls and a cover and a bottom, right? A box. And the transparent part, that's acrylic glass. The very purplish lila stripes, that's duct tape. Discount duct tape from Lidl came in handy to close the seams between the acrylic glass area of the box and the PVC panels. And you can also see the brown stuff, that's latches. I bought them in a really nice hardware shop, local, really awesome FOC in Braga, Portugal. If you're if you build stuff around Braga, totally check them out. I actually got a lot in this box from them, like for instance the insulation foam tape I use to isolate the panels when screwing them on. As I said, the latches, the M3 screws, the 6mm long M3 screws, that's from them. And I think I will go over to their shop and get a new aluminum tubing, and you will see why I need one in a moment. So when we go closer, you can see I did cut already the openings for fixing the gloves freehand with the Dremel I got from FOC. And it actually fits perfectly. All the drill holes match and the radius is correct too. It's nice. And yes, exactly as I mentioned, the latches from FOC. I installed the fan array on the top and also on the bottom. The fan array is installed. So the drill holes here now perfectly align with the steel plate with the holes which is stabilizing it, and I screwed them together so that they're always perfectly aligned. So you lift them up both at once, they're screwed together now. That's the reason I need a new aluminum tubing, because I broke the other one when trying to, unfold it, and now I lost length of the tube and it doesn't it's not long enough anymore to go from the bottom hole to the top hole. So, and I guess I get it from FOC. I found out the only thing they don't sell are tables, so that's cool. uh, yeah, screw that. Fell apart. I'm just too clumsy. And yeah, the glove. So the attempt of assembling, installing the gloves, I learned don't try to punch holes into silicone rubber gloves. They just disintegrate. So the problem with those gloves I have bought, because the actual gloves I want to use for the project have not yet arrived in the mail, is that when you try to punch a hole into those cleaning gloves, they just rip all the way through. And the idea, that's how you would have installed those gloves, is I have this ring, sealing ring. And what I do is I have here screws, right? And I punch holes into the glove on the ends. So I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes. 8 holes. 8 holes. The 8 holes here in the glove. Well, at the edge of the glove here. And then you push a screw through the hole in the glove, and then you press it onto the acrylic glass surface and screw. And then it's basically squeezed between the acrylic glass and this ABS, black ABS seal ring. And by doing so you basically have isolated it, so it's sealed off. But those gloves disintegrate, so that was a bad idea. I need more robust gloves. Also, those are way too short, so they're totally useless too. So what you need, you have to think about it. When you go into the glove box, you have to go arm length or longer. Your glove has to go at least the length of your forearm. Your glove has to at least go to your forearm. Better even, like, it has to be longer. So that's some things I have to fix. But in general, well, I'm pretty far for like 3 days working at this stuff, and I'm not a carpenter. So someone with carpenting skills who's not as clumsy as me, someone who's not as clumsy as me might actually be able to do that in a day, and better actually. So I have those seams, maybe someone has an idea how to avoid those seams. You just have to keep in mind, you cannot use wood because of the fibers it releases. So it's supposed to be a clean room environment, so you need something like PVC. I'm aware that it was really one of the goals was also to make it very, very cheap, right? And this bill of materials is below like 200 euros. So for that, it's actually, of course you need, duct tape in this setup. I mean, a clean room environment for less than 200 euros is a bargain. Anyway, I hope this video was somewhat informative for anyone else who wants to try their hands, hopefully not in such destructive way as me and without that many metal cuts. maybe you have some ideas on how to make it more efficiently, more compact, uh, improve the airtightness of the thing. Let me know down in the comments below. I'm eager to get some tips and some information on what I'm doing wrong, about all the things I'm doing wrong, right? Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me the comment down below. Ring the notification bell so that you get an update for the video I will upload after I went to Barcelona into the Cleanroom lab. However, I have to figure out another camera until then because this one seems to be buggy as hell now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.